Good morning. So recently we have changed the display of our document number series. So let me guide you what changes we have made and how does it look. So let's go to our settings module for this. In our settings module, on your right hand side, you will see an option of document number format in your basic. Please click on this. Now, this is our document number format where you go ahead and assign any document number in order to get displayed in document. So earlier there was on very top instruction provided that how to set up in financial year, calendar year, and each and everything. So we have moved that in the document adding format. So whenever you are inputting the number, we have moved it into that segment. Let me show you how you can go ahead and add a new document format in TranZact. Let's go to add new series. Once you will go on add new series, so this is our new display of document number format. As this is a PO, so put on a prefix PO slash then 0001. Now in mid between, I wish to put the financial year. So how I can do that? So you need to click on show custom field. Once you will click on this custom field, go a little below. Here we have provided all the options. With example, you can go on the video as well and see that. Now here I will copy the financial year P1. I will go on top. I will put the financial year P1 here, then dash. Now I will put the financial year P2. I will copy it from here. So we have made it more simplified so that you will not need to go back and then after copy and then after come back here. So I will put it now. This particular document format is set. You need to put the auto reset duration. So put it on financial year. Going below, you can click on save. So once you will click on save, this particular document format will get saved. So this is how you can use our new document number format option. And I hope this will be helpful. Have a good day.